All right, team, keep them steady. Guide them forward into the interior. That's it, nice and organized. Watch the flanks. Good pace. They're responding well to the gestures. Almost there, keep it up. Keep them moving steady. Watch the flanks. Good pace, guide them toward the center aisle. Looking good, maintain formation. Almost there, to the holding pens. Easy now, step up. Good, now the back. Hold steady, it's stabilizing. Confirmed, 45.67 kilos. Easy now, step up. Hold steady, good. Next one, move up. Eyes look clear and healthy. Ears are clean, no irritation. Mouth is good, teeth look fine. Okay, let's check the eyes. Holding steady. Good reflection, checking nostrils now. Breathing is steady. Opening the mouth brief, all clear. Easy now, steady on the platform. Scan is active, monitoring the data. Readings are stable, good positioning.
Apply the shampoo evenly, start from the neck. Make sure to get under the belly too. Alright, rinse it thoroughly now. Check the legs for any leftover suds.
Applying shampoo now, working it in. Time to rinse, activating jets. Rinsing the back and sides, almost done. Good job. Cleaning is complete. Applying shampoo now, working it in. Time to rinse, activating jets. Rinsing the back and sides, almost done. Good job. Cleaning is complete.
Press gently here to start. Got it, moving in a circle. Good, watch for drips. It's fluffing up nicely.
All right, let's get this goat dried off. Starting the airflow now. Good, the fur is separating nicely. Keep patting, it's working.
You're such a beautiful, clean goat. Your fur is so soft and fluffy. There you go, all relaxed now.
Such a beautiful, clean goat, so calm. Its fur is so soft and shiny. A job well done. It looks happy. Just perfect, a great finish. Look at him go, so calm. He loves that fresh grass. Good boy, keep eating. He's so fluffy today. Look at him go, munching away. He's in paradise with this fresh stuff. This system's a game changer, absolutely. The little guy's thriving. All right, keep them moving forward together. Good, stay in line now. Gently guide the stragglers. Almost there, into the room. All right, team, guide them in. Keep it steady. To the center, nice and easy now. Good flow, keep them grouped. Almost there, hold the line. Flow looks steady. Keep an eye on the output. Roger that, baskets are filling evenly. Good, cycle the next batch smoothly.
Output looks stable, keep the baskets moving. This batch is full, switching now. Confirm, placing the next one. Keep it steady. Basket full, swapping. It's good. Next one.
Alignment looks good, spacing is perfect. Next sheet incoming, steady the flow. Quality is consistent, keep it precise.
Keep the sheets aligned, watch the tension. Good flow, maintain the spacing here. Perfect, next batch is ready.
Pressure is optimal, rinse is thorough. Check the sheen, adjust the flow. Line is clear, maintain the speed.
Pat it gently to keep the fibers intact. Wipe from the center outward. The sheen is forming, almost done. Let's move to the next tray.
Rotate this piece clockwise for even drying. Got it, I'll handle the next row. Check for consistent color on all trays. Surfaces look good, moisture is receding.
Trays are filled, ready to seal.
Sealing complete, applying labels.
Next batch, please.
Portions aligned, sending to seal.
Sealing initiated, packs forming.
Labeling good, stack incoming. Stacking complete, line clear.
These are clean. Rinsing the next batch. Check for residue. Spray thoroughly.
Looks good. Move to drying.
Rotate that one slowly, check for missed spots. Looks good, moving to the next tray. Careful with the edges, keep it even. All clear, let's check the batch. This one's a good size, checking shape. Okay, quality looks fine. Placing in medium tray. Next one for large. Surface is smooth, proceeding.
Check this batch for size consistency. This one is premium grade, moving it. Stack the medium quality here.
Feeding bones now. Powder flow is steady. Adjusting for finer grind.
Starting the feed, bones are going in smoothly.
Powder consistency is excellent, flow rate is steady.
Collection trays are filling up, ready for the next batch.
Good work, system is running at peak efficiency.
Milk flow is steady, initiating mix. Viscosity is optimal, no adjustments needed. Foam is minimal, proceeding to next stage.
Flow rate is steady, viscosity looks good. Initiating mix cycle now. Vortex forming as expected, surface foam is minimal. Milk flow is stable, pressure is nominal. Oil is entering now, open the valve. Blades are at full speed, watch for foam. Emulsification is optimal. Initiating emulsifier flow, monitor viscosity. Level is stable, vortex is forming. Homogenization at 80% optimal. Process complete, ready for transfer. Flow rates are stable, initiating vitamin feed. Copy that, vortex is forming, monitor for uniformity. Confirm, solution is integrating evenly, proceeding.
Powder flow is stable, increase goat milk input. Aloe vera is folding in well, watch the vortex. Texture is emulsifying smoothly, reduce speed slightly. Powder feed is stable, initiating milk flow. Aloe vera injection complete, watch the vortex. It's blending well, near uniform consistency. Solution is uniform, ready for extraction. Panel readings confirm stability, texture looks excellent. Agreed, flow is uniform and sheen is optimal. Consistency checks out, ready for packaging. Proceeding to final transfer.
Alignment looks good. Perfect timing on the nozzles. Sealing complete, capping next.
Conveyor speed is optimal,
Labels are applying cleanly.
Next batch alignment is good, proceeding smoothly. Quality check passed, continue the run. QR alignment is perfect, no drift. Speed is steady, keep monitoring. Next batch incoming, labels look good. Alignment is spot on, proceed with printing. Confirm, monitoring the sequence. QR codes are applying perfectly, no jams. Excellent, prepare for the next batch.
Alignment looks perfect. Proceed to grouping. Confirmed. Cartons are ready. Sealing initiated. Watch the feed. Final pack secured. Next batch.
All right, let's keep these rows straight. Ready for the next one? Yes, stacking pattern is good. Place it there. Careful with the alignment. Looks solid. Good pace.
Okay, let's get these cartons stacked symmetrically. This row on the pallet stack is done. Good. Move to the next aisle of shelves. Alignment is perfect.